My name is Rob. They call me the flip-flop-man. I can get your headlights to flippity-flop with my mean ding drippity-drop. No restoration is too small or too big for Rob the flip-flop-man. Yeah, it's the flip-flop-man. I'm out here today promoting. About to do my neighbor's Impala. I'm gonna get his headlights to flippity-flop. My mean ding drippity-drop. Check it out. Let's check that out before. I'm gonna show you after, baby. I'll see you later. 804-584-9030. I'll take you from cloudy to clear. Make sure you pass that inspection. Alright, flip-flop man is here. I got these headlights flippity-flop. Mean ding drippity-drop. Just a couple drops of my new compound and my extra enthusiasm. Guaranteed to get your headlights factory clear, and I'm gone.